Hi guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of Rocksbox. If you don't know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry subscription service for $21 a month where you get 3 pieces of higher end jewelry from name brands. I'll explain a little bit more in detail as the video goes along. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. Today's notification shout out goes to Emma LeBlanc. Thank you so much for having my notifications on, and if you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is turn on my notifications first of all. And secondly, just comment hashtag notification squad in the comments of this video and you'll get one eventually. So if you want to see my unboxing of this Rocksbox jewelry subscription service, then just keep on watching. I'm going to explain a little bit in more detail about what Rocksbox is. So you subscribe for $21 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewelry that are from higher end brands, like actual name brands, sent to you, and then you continue paying the $21 even if you decide you want to keep them for a little bit longer, or you can just send them back. They send you a return slip and you keep the envelope and you go ahead and just send back whatever pieces you don't want to keep. And then whatever pieces you do want to keep, you do have to purchase, or you can keep them for a little bit longer and you just keep paying the $21 service. I do have a coupon code that gets you your first month free, and it'll be listed in the description box down below and also posted right here. I do get a little bit of a commission on this, so you don't have to use my code if you don't want to, but hey, it's a first month free. If you do like what you see in this unboxing, I will definitely recommend it. And yeah, if you want to use my code, you can. If you don't want to, you don't want to save, then that's fine with me too. But I just wanted to let you know about that code. Pretty excited. This is my first month doing this, and I did actually pay the first month, not the entire thing. I think I got a discount because I saw it advertised on social media. This was all up to me. I wanted to do it myself because I have become like obsessed with jewelry recently. I don't know why. I think I paid $15, and shipping is always free, by the way. I haven't opened this yet, so I'm excited to open it. So it comes like this. It comes in an envelope, obviously, that's addressed to you, and then this comes inside. This is what I pulled out of it. I think I threw the other envelope away, which might be a problem when I have to return this. I gotta check on that. I'm not sure. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. I'm very excited. I open it and this is the first thing I see. It says, "Hey Gorgeous," and it's like a pamphlet. Oh, it has my name. It's personalized. Get cute. And it tells you kind of what you got. Oh, I just got spoiled. It just gives you a description of everything inside. And then here's another little pamphlet that says, it tells you about the service and how it works, like how it works, add to your wish list, rock your stylist picks. Yeah, basically, I didn't explain that before, but you essentially go on the Rocksbox website and you create a wish list of things that you like that's on their site, and then they kind of have a stylist that picks for you every month from your wish list. You have an option to add things to the top of your wish list, so you can kind of rank them from your very favorite to your still favorite, but like it's not what you immediately want. And I think I did get like my first, at least 3 of my first 5 choices, I'm pretty sure. So essentially you add to your wish list, the stylist picks for you, and then you end up buying what you absolutely really like. And if you don't like it, you send it back, but you have a month to kind of just like wear it around and just do whatever you want with it. Let's like unbox this because I'm very excited. So it has this little sticker and I haven't opened it yet. I've been dying. I've been wanting to open this so badly. And it does come in these little pouches as well. It says Kendra Scott, that's the brand. So let's open this one first. Ooh, I'm so excited for these. I actually have a similar pair of these earrings, so I don't think I'm gonna end up keeping these, but these are from Kendra Scott and they're called L earrings in rhodium and abalone, and they look like this. Ooh, they're so pretty, but I'm pretty sure, I think my mom gave me a pair of earrings just like this or similar from Alaska when she went last year, so I think I'm gonna like probably send these back, but they're so pretty. But let's try them on. So this is what they look like on. They're super pretty. I'm obsessed with like anything marbled or like patterned like this. Super pretty, but I still don't think I'm gonna keep them. So I'll probably wear them a bit and then go ahead and send them back. These are valued at $65. Next, I see a pouch from Rocksbox. This is, oh, these are the studs. They're Ava Rose Charlotte studs in rose gold and rose gold druzzy. These are what the studs look like. I'm obsessed with rose gold, so I thought I would really like these, but I'm actually in person not really so keen on them. They look like super pretty on the website, but in person they don't look as pretty. This is what these look like, and they look really pretty on the ear actually, but they kind of feel a little cheaply made, I'm not gonna lie. And these are valued at $38. They're nice and all, but I don't know, studs, I don't really, you know. Then the last little package is a package like this. It's black. And this is the Sophie Harper interlocking circles necklace in silver. I don't own that many necklaces. I actually have a hard time with my nails putting on necklaces. So let's see how this works. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this on to show you guys, but let's try. If it works, then I'm gonna keep it because I love necklaces. So this is what it looks like, just so you can see up close. It's got interlocking circles, and this is valued at $46. I might end up buying it though. Let's see if I can get it on. Yeah, okay, so I can't get this on. I'd have to get my husband to help me figure out how to do this, which is really sucky, but let's just pretend it's on. See, that looks really nice. I might actually end up keeping this one. I like it. Yeah. So yeah, this is essentially everything having to do with a Rocksbox. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments what you think about Rocksbox and just like in general. If you want me to keep doing the unboxings, because I foresee myself getting these continuously because I don't know, I've been on such a jewelry kick that I don't know, I want more jewelry. So that's that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!